Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2011 Mercedes E350, and I wanted to show you how to install one of these beautiful Mercedes license plate brackets. As always, if you need this or any other part, check us out, 1AAuto.com. Thanks. Alright, so first thing we need to do is take off our original license plate. So we're going to take off the hardware. As you can tell, you can use a flathead, or I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Right off of there. This one. Hold your license plate, of course. Put that down. So the kit came with these nice little rubber doodads here, and they've got a nice little sticky adhesive. The instructions say you would want to take off the adhesive, or the backing for the adhesive, sorry, and stick it directly onto the license plate, right? Obviously this isn't our street plate. This is our quality 1A Auto plate. So what I would rather do is I'm going to clean up this bracket so it's nice and pretty, and then I'm going to stick them on right where they're supposed to go. This is going to make a nice spacer to help keep the license plate from vibrating. This right here. Just try to line up the holes the best you can. Just get this on here, just like that. Put it up on there. You're going to take one of your bolts, one of your little chrome caps here. Put the bolt through the cap, just like that. And just start that in. Awesome. I'm gonna grab my screwdriver. And of course, if you have the 4 bolts, you'd want to start all 4 before you snug them up. Our vehicle only has 2. So I'm gonna go with what I've got. Just turn this right in. Obviously, you want them to be snug. Snug. Just double check this one, get a little bit more here. And then of course these, like I said, if you've got them, once you do that, take your little cap, should pop right in. Same thing to this one. Beautiful.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.